The objective of this lesson is to solve problems of whole numbers divided by decimal numbers using models and the long division algorithm. Base 10 blocks can be used to model decimals. Let's solve the following problem using base 10 blocks. Ruth's flower garden is made up of several smaller patches. The total area of the garden is 3 square meters. Each small patch is 6/10 of a square meter. How many small patches are there? We will first model the entire garden with 3 holes. The 3 holes are broken into 30/10. If we measure groups of 6/10, we see there are 5 groups of 6/10 and 30/10. There are 5 small patches in Ruth's flower garden. Let's solve the same problem using the division algorithm. The divisor and the dividend are arranged with a division bracket. The decimal in the divisor is moved the same number of place values in both the divisor and the dividend. The 6/10 becomes 6 and the 3 holes become 30. How many groups of 6 are in 30? 5. 5 times 6 is 30. We subtract 30 from the dividend. How many remain to be shared? 0. The quotient is 5. There are 5 small patches in Ruth's flower garden. Let's solve another problem. Pizza Pie serves 25/100ths of a pizza to each customer. How many customers can be served if they have 2 pizzas? Let's use the hundredths grid to model the problem. We will represent the pizzas with 2 holes. The holes are divided into hundredths because the divisor is in hundredths. We next measure groups of 25/100ths. There are 8 groups of 25/100ths and 200/100ths. 8 customers can be served. To solve this problem using the standard algorithm, the divisor and the dividend are arranged with a division bracket. The problem can then be rewritten to indicate that the divisor and the dividend are in the same units. 0.25 is rewritten as 25/100ths, and 2 is rewritten as 200/100ths. The decimal place can then be written in the quotient. 25 times how many hundreds is 200? 0. 25 times how many tens is 200? 0. 25 times how many ones is 200? 8. 8 customers can be served 25/100ths of a pizza when there are 2 whole pizzas. The objective for this lesson was to solve problems of whole numbers divided by decimal numbers using models and the long division algorithm. We met this objective by solving division problems using base 10 models along with the long division algorithm.